Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to easily reverse a clip in CapCut. So let's get started. Now the first thing you guys are going to want to do is import your media, and I'm just going to import this quick video that I have on the desktop. So right here, as you guys can see, I just have a clip where I'm holding this Fanta can and I want to reverse this. So all you want to do is select the clip and you're going to see a little small icon right here that says reverse. Now, before we start, say you guys want to reverse just a portion of the clip. So say I want this to be regular and then I want to reverse it back. So I'm going to use Command B to split the clip, and I'm going to split the clip right here. So I only want this little part to be reversed. So in order to reverse it, I'm just going to select right here, go up to this little reverse button and click that, and then it'll reverse the clip. And now if I play this back, you can see it's reversed. So, all right, guys, that's how to reverse a clip in CapCut. If you want any of my other CapCut tutorials, just click here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.